So I decided it wasn't dark, so in the dark colours program, I have understand the factor ranks. And here's what happened. I'm not even going to fax it up. I used this snowball sale. I don't know if it's $24 more. And software, it's in here. It's all going to run through. My goodness! I'll get you guys an update. Oh my god, look at this. We only got 47 minutes left on the clock and it's like this. Oh, don't you dare go up. No. Don't you dare. Don't you dare go up. We can't even see the drum anymore. All we can just see is a little bit right there. Don't you dare. Oh my god. I've been sitting here since like when I got down. It was like up to there, I'd say. But now it's up to here. Or rather, now it's me looking. Oh my god. Okay, now we've got 36 minutes on the clock left. Let's hope this has a good end and see if I can have to cancel out again. Because it did start off on the final spin once. It did start off on the final spin once. But and it's at 1600. So I lowered it down to 2 when everything was perfectly fine. Let's hope this happens.